Hi everybody, thanks for stopping by our booth today. Our company is named Simtrax. We are an enterprise reporting solutions company, and we offer a software called Compleo, which directly connects with the SAP system, which I'll be demonstrating today. More specifically, I'm going to be demonstrating our automated payroll solution, taking your paperless payslips to electronic form within seconds. So to go ahead and get started, I'm going to start here in SAP. A lot of you are probably familiar with this. This is where we're going to pull up our payslip. I have the personnel number already entered. If I go ahead and click check, here's our payslip. So what we're going to go ahead and do with this payslip is we're going to download it to an OutQ device. This OutQ device is being monitored by our supervising tool, which is going to automate the application of the templates that will actually turn this payslip into a PDF, email it to the correct end user, encrypt it with a security password, and archive it in our web-based archiving system. And again, all this will take place in just seconds. So to go ahead and get started, I'm going to take you to where we first access our payslip here in Compleo Explorer. If you see here on the left side, we have an active connection with the SAP system where we can pull spool files out of the OutQ devices that we download them to. Also, if you'd like to download a text file instead of a spool file because you don't have your output devices set up or because you have trouble accessing them, you can also download this somewhere onto the network where we can access it as well. So, again, we're going to go ahead and work with this spool file today here in Compleo Explorer. And what we've done with this template that we've created here in Compleo Explorer is we've just simply combined all the pages so that it fits on one page, and we've turned it into another format that will be able to be used with another module here where it'll actually make the graphical changes to this business form. And this here is Compleo Layout. So after the template in Compleo Explorer is applied, Compleo Layout then turns the final spool file into a PDF. And again, it also emails it, which we've set it to do here, and it archives it with our web-based archiving system, which we've set it to do here. And here we have some unique properties in which will make the search a lot more automated and a lot more quicker when we're going through looking for this final payslip in our web-based archiving system. And finally, before I move on, I can also show you that we do have the ability to print this. So in case you want to continue to keep a paper version of this payslip, we can automate the printing process as well. So if I go here and click on this little printer, I'm just going to take you to where we select our printers. We're not subject to only a few printers. We have the ability to connect to any printer that is able to connect to a Windows print driver. So now I'm going to go ahead and print this from SAP. And again, what's going to happen is this spool file is going to get printed to an output device. This module right here, Compleo Supervisor, also has an active connection to our SAP system and can view the output devices. And based off these parameters that we've set, once it sees this specific type of document, it's going to then apply the template that we've created so that it makes all the necessary changes. And if I right-click here, we also have the ability to schedule this. So if you need this on a weekly basis or a monthly basis or both, you can do that. So let's go ahead and print this and let the process run and watch it in action. So if I go ahead and print, it looks like it's going to print to my output device, again, which is being monitored by Compleo Supervisor. Let's go ahead and press check. Let's go to Compleo Supervisor here. If I click on my OutQ, in just a few seconds, we're going to be able to see the document getting processed by all the modules that have to apply their templates. There it goes. And so right now, this payslip is being created, it's being emailed, and it's being archived into our web-based archiving system. Here we received our email. And from here, we can actually view the document itself either through a link or through the attachment. So here's where it's encrypted. If I go ahead and type in my password, we'll be able to see the final payslip here as a PDF. Now, to take you to our web-based archiving system, I'm going to show you another area where we can access the document as well. And as you can see, this web-based archiving system here is in Europe. We are here in Orlando, Florida, looking at this live. So not only can you view the payslip that you just uploaded, you can view all the past payslips as well. So in case you have to reference an old payslip, you have the ability to do that here. And you're not only limited to viewing this, you can also email it, zip the file and download it onto the desktop, zip multiple files and download those onto the desktop, and finally add some comments at your convenience. So again, today I showed you how from SAP we can download an unformatted spool file and automatically apply changes such as reformatting, converting to a PDF, emailing, and archiving in a web-based archiving system, all with a security password that is set up so that only the end user that needs to see this payslip is allowed to see this. Thanks again, guys, for taking some time to view our automated payslip solution for SAP. If this is something that you think you can benefit from, feel free to hang out for a few minutes, talk to us, tell us about your processes, and we'll see if we can fit a solution into your company. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of the trade show, guys.